It was a good baseball game today. Game kind of cruised through 7 there. Stone was really good for them. Moved the ball around, mixed his pitches well, and Andrew was dominant again. It is fun to watch him pitch, boy. And then kind of got a little crazy the last couple innings. We got a little bit sloppy defensively. John Hennessy probably doesn't feel great about the end of that game, but I'll tell you what, it's a funky play, ball, runner, everybody getting there at the same time. And he's a leader for us in the clubhouse. He's a leader for us on the field. The kid works hard. He's got no reason to have his head down after that ball game. That's just kind of one of those deals. But I love what the reaction of our boys to come back. It's kind of something that we haven't done a great job of the last couple of weeks. Is when things go wrong, haven't quite known how to react, and we showed that we can react the right way today. Brought the tying run to third base. Had good at bats in the 8th. Had good at bats in the 9th. And had a really good chance to win that baseball game. If that's how we're reacting and we're learning to kind of handle that stuff better, if that's what we're going to do the rest of the way, then I really like how this last 20 games is going to go here.